I touch that's fine for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told I like you, that bitch. I do it all, and I'm around. You're scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. My bitch, skimming, do it. I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem.
Can I please film in peace? Hey y'all, it's your girl Tamia here, and I am finally back with a brand new... Hey y'all, it's your girl Tamia here, and I am finally back with a brand new video for you guys today. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my very long awaited apartment slash room tour. Last August, I moved into a new apartment unit. I stayed at the same apartment complex, I just downsized. So I went from a 4-bedroom to a 2-bedroom, mainly because I was tired of having 3 roommates. So now I only have 1 roommate, and life has been great. I have been meaning to make this video for like the last year because I did like a move-in day vlog. So if y'all want to check that out, I will have it linked directly down below so y'all can go watch that. And everybody was like, please do an apartment tour, please do a room tour. Honestly, I never got around to it until now. You know, better late than never. But anyways, y'all, if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a huge thumbs up. Also, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, which is linked in the down bar below. Make sure y'all go and follow me on all my social media. If y'all want to go check those out, they are linked in the down bar below. Anyways, I do hope y'all enjoyed this video, like I said, and I'm gonna go ahead and get into it because it is kind of long. So yeah, let's get into it. So y'all, when you first walk into my apartment, this is what it looks like, and there's the front door. So starting over here, this is a little closet. It looks a mess in there, but honestly, we just throw a bunch of random stuff in there. I got like my suitcase, a bag of I think like Valentine's Day decorations and random stuff, and then just like boxes and stuff at the top. And then in here, this is where our hot water heater is. So now walking into the actual unit, this is what our kitchen, living room, and dining room setup looks like. So it is one big open room. As of right now, we don't have too many decorations, but we do have a few, just kind of like these cute little fall decorations and stuff. And then I just put up like some of that, but we'll get into that later in the video. And of course, we got the dog living his best lazy life on the couch. So starting with the kitchen area, we do have like a little cooler chilling right there, but that belongs to my roommate, so you can just ignore it. And then we have the trash can over here, which I think my roommate may have got from Target. And then I got my O-Cedar mop and some Aldi bags because I just went grocery shopping. Here's the kitchen, and it is a small kitchen, but honestly, it's good enough for 2 people. Right here, we got our nice cutting board. This is from IKEA. We got a little diffuser right here, which we haven't used in a few months because we got to get some more like refill things. Got my bananas and the paper towel dispenser. And then on that wall, we have this really cute calendar. Honestly, I can't remember where I bought this from, y'all. The other night before my roommate left, she was like, hold on, I got some dry erase markers for the calendar. So she put them in her cute little SpongeBob cup. And then right there, we also have a little fall Halloween sign, and it says a spooky witch and her boo haunt here. So now going over here, we got the sink area. So we got this little soap dispenser thing. So you put like the sponge on there and you like press it and it has soap in it. So we fill it up with like our Dawn dish soap. And we got our scrub daddy, got some dish soap, and then some hand soap so we can wash our hands. There are currently a couple dishes in the sink because people do actually live here. I want y'all to see that. And then going up here into this little cabinet, we just got like a bunch of random Tupperware containers and plastic utensils. Moving over here to this side, we got the fun part of the kitchen, the refrigerator and the stove where I can make some food and take some food. Up there, we just got some empty bowls, an empty red cup, a thing of cereal, some vinegar, some empty liquor bottles. And then this is what our fridge looked like in the inside. You know, pretty full right now. Same thing for the freezer. And then over here, I got some tortillas. These little gloves are for cleaning. And then my mini waffle maker. Here, we just have more dishes. This is my side. And then we got the microwave and the stove. Over here, we got one of my favorite things in this kitchen. the air fryer. I love this air fryer. This is my roommate's air fryer, but we both use it religiously. My roommate has a couple of her cups. Those little containers belong to my roommate, and then this grease is mine because that's what I use to fry my chicken. Then over here, this little door is the door to our pantry. This is where you can find all of our food and stuff. And now moving into this little room right here, this is our laundry room. Of course, this is where the clothes get washed and dried, and we did just get a brand new washer and dryer. But up here is my side, and then we have our paper towel supply. This is my roommate's side. You can kind of tell our styles are a little different. You can tell she shops at Target, and you can tell I shop at Walmart. So now moving out of the kitchen into like the dining room and living room area, we just have our little table right here. I'm gonna be honest, y'all, we don't sit at this table. We don't eat here. We don't really do nothing here. This is honestly more of a storage table. First and foremost, the table is unstable. It shakes really bad. We do have these little pumpkins sitting up here. These are just these little sparkly pumpkins from Dollar Tree. And then my roommate just bought her a brand new mirror from IKEA, and so she put her mirror from her room out here. And then over here is the living room area. Now I do want to let y'all know all furniture in this apartment is supplied by the apartment complex. The couches, the chairs, the tables, everything was supplied. Right here on the table we have this cute little basket, which I need to get some candy for it, but right now it just has a remote in there. And then we have a Bible there because both of us love Jesus. We got the TV area. So this TV, it did come with the apartment. For the decorations, I have this cute little pumpkin jar there, and then we got these little, I don't even know what you would call them, but these sparkly sticks. This little pumpkin, this was actually in the apartment when we moved in, and I decided to keep it because it's a pumpkin and it's cute. Then I got this little sign that says happy fall, and then right here it's just our little vacuum. So on this wall I have a little sign that says pumpkin spice and everything nice, and then over here we have this little canvas which is from Ross, and it says you got this. So out here is our balcony. It is kind of an inconvenient place because we literally are right in front of where all the cars park, but we do have a little hammock out there. So now getting to the part that I think everybody's been waiting for, the room tour part. This is my room, and then over there is my roommate's room. This is what the door looks like, and I have this little cute plaque on here. I made this out of a thing from Dollar Tree. When you walk in, this is just what it looks like. Anyways, we're gonna start right here. This is where Paco lives. So we have his cage here. His cage was given to me by one of my friends, and I do appreciate her very much. He has his water bowl, his food bowl, all his blankets and his bed and stuff in there. He loves his cage. Recently, he's been chilling on the couch a lot. Like, he's found it as his new little spot. I let him chill on the couch, and when he wants to come in the room, he'll go in his cage or he'll chill on the floor. In the middle, I have his little food container. Now, he does have a bigger food storage thing in my closet where I pour like his entire bag into, but every week I'll just scoop from that container into this container. And then I just have this little basket which is from Dollar Tree, and I just put like all of his toys and sweaters and stuff in. And then in this little container, which I got from Christmas like a couple years ago, in it just has all of his dog stuff. So we have this bag with poop bags in it, we have his treat container, and we have more bags with treats, little pill poppers, this little thing for his fur, got extra bowls, and then all of his like medicine. So his Simplica Trio, got pills, like a dog hair remover, shampoo, spray to make him smell good, little comb for his coat, a leash, and then a box of treats. Yeah, my baby is spoiled, y'all. Like, he's very, very spoiled. So moving above Paco's cage, we have this wall right here, but above the door I do have my name spelled out there. I did make those letters years ago. And then I do have this little door hook. I think this is from Five Below, but on it I have like my McDonald's hat, my keys, umbrella, and then my extra purse. And then for this wall I just have my stoves and stuff from when I graduated. I have this sign that says dream, not really a sign but a picture, that is from Ross. And then I got this cute little sign that says ugh, and I got that from Five Below. And then we got a couple of my paintings here in the corner. So if y'all don't know, I paint. We have this painting which is titled Groovy Moon, and this one is titled Take Me to the Moon. And then we have some greenery up here. You're gonna notice a lot of the greenery in my room. I have a lot of it, and all of that is from Shein. And then right here I have this little moon and stars mirror type thing, and that's from Shein as well. And then I have a cloud, and I'm gonna turn off the light so y'all can see what the cloud looks like. And then coming coming down from there, I got my camera here on the tripod. And then right here, I have this little rolly cart 3-tiered like shelf. This is from Michael's. But yeah, on this little shelf, I just have some pictures. So it's a picture of my mom and dad when they were married, and then that's me. And then I have this little and sign from Five Below, and then this little light from Five Below. It's a little cloud light, really, really cute. Down here is just more random stuff. So in that little container is a bunch of camera stuff. I have my Polaroid camera there, which I haven't used in so long because I don't have any film and I haven't got around to getting any. And then down there, this little basket, I don't know if y'all can tell, it's a basket in there though, but in there I have candles and like these little things from Bath and Body Works to plug into my little wall plug-in. And then I have some more cleaning stuff. So moving on from this area, we're gonna come back over here to my desk area. Starting at the wall above my desk, I have my calendar here. On this side of the wall, I just have some more canvases, and then I have my graduation cap. Then I have this cute little sign that I painted. I think I got it from Dollar Tree, and it just says Romans 8:28. And then I also have a little moon light from Shein. So on my desk, I have basically my makeup and then also my laptop and stuff. So my desk kind of doubles as a place where I would study if I was still in school, and then also like a vanity. In this corner, I have this little organizing thing, and then these two little cups up here with dry erase markers for my calendar. And also I have my hookah there. And then on these little bottom shelves are just random stuff. Also, I forgot to show y'all my pictures, which are all from my senior photo shoot from high school. It's so crazy that I graduated almost 5 years ago. So I have a candle here burning, Bath and Body Works candle, and this one is in pink pineapple sunrise. It smells so good, and I'm so sad it's getting low. Over here is my makeup section. So here I have all of my makeup palettes in this little container. Got eyeshadow, I have highlighter palettes, and then right here I have some wipes from Ipsy. And then over here are all of my like lipsticks that I love to wear. In this little container is like my main makeup items that I always use. Lashes back there, and then this little mirror. And then we have my little containers, and these are from Amazon. I bought these years ago, but in here it's just all of my makeup. So I do have some vinyl sitting up here on my desk. These are only 3 vinyl albums that I have. I do want to collect some more, but I do have a record player underneath the desk that I'm going to show y'all in just a second. And then right here, I have a book. It has a bunch of poems in it. But it says, "To the man I love too much and the ones who never loved me enough." Then I have my laptop here, my iPad, and my little mouse. And then right there is my wax burner that I got for Christmas last year, or maybe the year before. And then I have my Alexa XO. I love this thing because it's a speaker and it shows like TV and like pictures and stuff like that. Then going to this part of the desk, this is basically like a little extra storage area. So I have 3 of these little containers from the Dollar Tree. That one has like MCAT books and other textbooks and stuff. And then and these 2 are like more like office supplies, you know, like extra staples, stuff like that. And then here is my record player, and this also has like a Bluetooth speaker on it as well. So moving over here to this area, kind of more towards my bed, I have this little thing on the wall. I forgot to show y'all. It's this little decoration thing that I got from Five Below, but it has a moons on it. I have this little sunflower thing hanging over my window, and then more greenery up there. Down here is just my little nightstand kind of table. So this little table is from Five Below. I got my fan, which is the absolute love of my life. I cannot go nowhere without my fan. I have to sleep with it in front of me. It's just the thing about me. Then I got this lamp, and then in my windowsill, I have a few things I want to show y'all. I have this little butterfly light, and then I have all of my crystals, and then I also have some succulents. So all of these succulents are from Aldi. They have like little pictures. I have this cute little mug, and it says Libra on it with like the Libra constellation drawn on it. Coming over here, I have this wall with my tapestry and more greenery. So the tapestry is from Shein, and the lights that are hanging on it are from Five Below. And then these lights on this wall and the greenery as well are both from Shein. I really like these lights right here because they don't just have a straight feature, they also have a blinking feature. As for my bed, for the comforter, the 2 little pillows, and then these pillowcases came from Ross. And then I have this nice blanket here, which I got for Christmas last year from one of my coworkers. Next to my bed, I have my refrigerator. On top of the fridge, I have my coffee maker. I have this little cup, and then this little container, and it has cups in there, and then coffee filters, and my little thing of sugar so I can make my coffee in the morning. Here is my fridge, some pickles in there, my coffee. And then moving over here, I have my dresser, and then I have my TV here. Grey's Anatomy is on TV because I've been rewatching the entire series again. And then I have this nice clock here, and then I have my incense burner. Above my TV, I have another canvas done by me. This one is called You Are Limitless. And then above that, I have a sticker from Shein, of course. And then above my bathroom door, I have those 3 canvases. So now going into my bathroom, and I love my bathroom because it's very, very, very spacious. Here I go. So on this wall, I just have these 2 little mirrors, and then right here is the sink area. But I have this little container right here, which is from Ross. Not really a container, but it's more like a little sliding thing. I got all of my stuff that I use on a daily basis. So lotion, perfumes, mouthwash, flossers. I got my glasses in here, and these are my glasses, y'all. I get like discounts on really nice glasses, but these are just my everyday glasses. And then these are my second pair. These are also Coach as well. They have a little Mickey Mouse thing on there because they're part of the Disney collection. And then I have my paper towels, toothbrush, toothpaste, all that type stuff, hand sanitizer, soap, and then more soap. And then down here, of course, we got underneath the sink, you know, just got more hygiene stuff like that, and then all of my cleaning supplies. So now moving over here, I have this little cart here, which is used as a storage cart. I got more makeup wipes from Ipsy. Then I have another incense burner. I have some disinfectant spray, braid spray, and then also some air freshener. Got some Eco Styler here, pads and tampons, and then here are just a bunch of like hair accessories like ponytail holders and stuff. And then down there are all of my very thick towels. And then on this wall, I just have some greenery and then a little decorative towel set up. Over here, I have this nice shelf from Burlington. On the shelf, I just have my little unicorn light, and then in here are just like backups, so like extra soap. I have bath bombs in there. I have sugar scrubs, and then down here in these little shower caddies, I have like my exfoliating gloves. I have perfume, lotion, more perfume back there. I have face masks, and then I got all of my other towels. And last but not least, for the restroom, we have my shower. So this is my shower curtain, and it is from Amazon, and then those little shower hooks are from Ross. So y'all, for the last part of this video, we just have my closet. Right now it's a little cramped because I got my lights in here, but I just filmed a video, so we're just gonna move these out the way really quick. So anyways, my closet is very big. I love the space in here because I can store so much in this closet. But there's my mirror on the wall, and then I have this little shoe container here, which I think is from Walmart, and it has all of my sandals and like some tennis shoes and stuff like that in there. And then over here we have my art cart. This is where all of my art stuff is stored. So I got just, you know, like hot glue, brushes, art tools and stuff up there. And then in all these drawers, they have different art supplies and stuff like that. And then on this little table right here, I have all of like my jewelry and stuff. And then down here, I have all of my paint. And then up here, I just have my dirty towel hamper. I have extra detergent and fabric softener, my iron, a couple pairs of boots, and then I have this little thing here. This is basically like a little storage thing that hangs up, and I got this from Five Below. So in there I have all of my purses and stuff. I have this container which basically holds like most of my Crocs and a couple of more shoes, and then I have these 4 little things. And so in here I have like belts, beanies, stuff like that. I have shoes in this one, like flats and stuff. I have more Crocs and shoes in this one, and then in here I have all of my high heels. And then down here we have all of my clothes hanging up, and then down here I have my dirty clothes hamper. I have that basket which has a bunch of clothes in it from Shein that I need to put up because I just did a try on haul for y'all. And then I have this container down here which holds like shirts, shorts, and then like swimsuits and stuff like that. And then back here I have all of my McDonald's clothes right here, so my uniform t-shirts and stuff like that. And then I have my Jordans, my Air Force Ones, and my Uggs in that corner. So y'all, that was all for my apartment slash room tour for 2023. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm so happy I was finally able to show y'all what my apartment looks like and what my room looks like. Make sure y'all give this video a huge thumbs up. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Make sure y'all hit that bell, and also make sure y'all follow me on all my social media, which is linked in the down bar below. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye bye.
Stayed in Miami, yes, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga. I'll be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother